Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is about another barbecue, but I'm cooking it at home at my place in my corner. So anyway, I've got my stuff ready here. Okay, so it's a variety of stuff, but I'll bring it around. So this is all the stuff that I'm going to put on the barbecue. It's scallop there, and then I've got the beef, I've got the chicken, and I also have the prawns and the sausages. So that's what I'm planning to put on. And there's the hot plate right there, and I'm planning to have it with rice. Okay, and I got a bit of sauce, and that's what I'm having it drizzled all over it. Anyway, if my camera looks lopsided, sorry about that. And my drink today is an orange drink. So, how's everyone going? Ooh, I forgot to show I'm having some mixed veggies just to put on there to, you know, get it going. So, I'll put the veggies on first, so I can have that little time to cook away. So, okay guys, here you go. Look at that, eh? If only it was a bit higher up. I've got prawn sticks here, so I'll put that there. I'll put a couple. No, I'll put it that way. And then my meat, I'll push the veggies over that way, and then I'll get my meat in there, have the meat sizzling away, bring all that lovely smell happening. Oh, not much of a sizzle, is it? Hey, sizzle up, Faye, stop putting me to shame here. Okay, so that's the meat, and look, now look at the scallop, guys. I'll put this beside the prawns. And I also have some mini sausages, so I'll put that here next to the beef. Oh, look at the scallop sizzling away here. Is 3 prawns enough? Maybe. Yeah, that'll do for now. Oh, cooking real good. Okay. Get the oil a bit of that. Ooh, I'll put the chicken on now, because that might take a while to cook. So everything's sizzling away. Sizzling away. Get another scallop right there. Yep. Now, I'm going to show you guys what's happening on my barbecue here. Now look at this. Look at that. Does that look delicious? Okay. Anyways, I'll keep that going. I don't know when these vegetables will cook. I should have bar cooked them, or I should have pre-boiled them or something. Oh well. I guess if that ain't cooking time, I'll just have to leave it out of my food. Do you think that's a good idea? Oh, these scallops, so fat. It's so nice. I got some sachets from the fish shop I went to today. I thought I'd give me some pepper, because I love pepper. And a whole heap of it too. And I've got a bit of salt. I'll sprinkle that on, even though I don't know if I need it, but just in case I do. Food needs good seasoning, guys. Good seasoning. Okay. So how's the sausages going? Looking good. Look at that. Guys, real hot. But no big deal. Just have to look at these prawns turning nice and orange, which you can tell it's on its way to being cooked. And I'll flip the chicken over. Oh, let me use this. Looks good, guys. Looks good. Come on. I can't let you miss out on the fun. Well, this is what's happening right now. And the prawns. Oh, fogging up my camera. Anyway, that's what it is, guys. That's what's happening right there. All the beef, the veggies, the sausages, prawns, and scallop. I think I'll squeeze a bit of lemon over my scallop. Guys, this is a feast. Vegetables. How are you going, vegetables? I forgot the name of this this beef here. You get it from Costco. And it's all nicely shredded up, and all you have to do is cut it down to how you want it. And it's got a really, really beautiful taste, I reckon anyway. Oh guys, I can't wait to dig into this. Can't wait to dig into this. And then after I go on the food coma. It's Manias. It's Manias, these prawns. I put a couple more there, and a sausage there. Everything's smelling good. So far, this is what it looks like. This is the sauce that I got for the chicken. I don't know what's in it. It's probably oyster sauce, I guess. I don't know, but I'm pouring it over the chicken because the beef, it comes with its own flavours in there. So much flavour. It's really nice. Scallop. This one might be cooked, but I don't know. A little bit longer. So this chicken is cooking in all its juices. The sauce that I poured over it, it's doing its magic. And the sausages needs a turn. Look at the sausage, guys. Look at the sausage getting that nice char colour. And the beef. Beef needs just a little bit longer, and then I think it's time to eat. Yeah. And a bit of veggies. Look at that, guys. Can you see? That's the beef and a bit of veggies on top of my rice. Now let me have a taste. Right. So good. Yep, I'll turn it down. And I think the prawn's cooked this way. Look at that, guys. Prawn. And I'll just turn the sausage a bit. The chicken still needs a bit of cooking because no good to eat raw chicken. Gotta stay safe. And I think the scallop is cooked. I'm gonna put the whole thing in my mouth after. Gonna be a hero. Oh, God. Oh. This is so good. Good. Very yum. I'll push that to the side and I'll put some more of these sausages in there. This is so delicious. Time for the prawn. Lovely. Put some lemon on it. Guys. Marvelous. Stirring the vegetables here. This vegetable looks nicely cooked. I'll put that on my plate. So good. Oh, nice, guys. Broccoli. Remember the beef? The beef is awesome, guys. So if there's a Costco near you in Australia, go and buy you some of that shredded beef. That beef. So lovely. Oh, the beef is cooked now. Doesn't even take long to cook too. I think the vegetables take longer. I think I'll try a spoon. You know what? I've done 2 barbecue videos lately. Before. I've done 2 barbecue videos. And guess what, guys? This is my 3rd one. No, it's just that if my kids ask me what would I want to do for my what do I want to do for my birthday, I'd say let's have a barbecue. But they go, oh no, let's go out somewhere else, you know, like to a restaurant or something. Got another prawn. So you put that on my plate. Here guys. Very nice. I think the scallops is done. Yeah. It's just a matter of waiting for these chicken now. But I'm having a good feast here. Ooh. Here's the scallop. The other scallop here. That's for you guys. A nice broccoli. Scallop. I'll eat these chickens last because no way I'm gonna eat any raw chicken. No way, no way, no can do. Oh. Ooh la la. This food is so good. I got one more wedge of lemon and I'll squeeze it all over these things. The leftover food. Guys, lemon is good for you, right? Look at these prawns. Vai. Vela manga, ele prawn. Lep. Nói rồi. Mà ele mere a. Vela mayama ai. Vela mayama ai. Eu vou colocar nesse esquema. sausage, guys. This is like a smoked sausage. Okay, I think I'll just taste this part of the chicken. You know why I wanted to do this? Because it's like a celebration feast, okay? Because I got up to 800 subscribers. You know, it may be small to the ones that got millions of subscribers, but to me, that's heaps. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, guys. I really appreciate it, because you guys are the ones that put the numbers there, not me, you. You know, because you wanted to press subscribe, that got me to 800. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So thank you for the new subscribers that's come and joined me on my channel to watch me eat all this food and gain more weight. My sons just went with their partners yesterday. They just left yesterday to go to Japan. And I think they got a friend, a mate or two with them. Yeah, I think 2 of them. So, hope you guys are having a good time. Stay safe. Behave yourselves, guys, if you're watching my mukbang. And don't laugh at your mum. Yeah, my granddaughter Savannah, I love you, my baby. And my grandson Xavier, he likes watching my mukbangs, and he has a laugh. He laughs. It's like he's laughing at me. How dare he? Guys, I'm gonna get into finishing this off. Look at that. Look at my plate. Right, mali prawn, mali chicken, mali oh, the camera's facing outside. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me to do this and to celebrate my 800 subscribers. Thank you. I think it's 840, like it's nearly 850. So I really appreciate you guys and all those ones that's watching, because hey, I appreciate it, because you know, and show the love out to all our polytubers. If you guys are polys and you are watching, there's a lot of polytubers coming out now, guys, and this is what we need to do: get out and bring up our videos, support one another. Us, we support each other, man. You know, I reckon it's a good idea, an excellent idea. An excellent idea, I reckon. You know, but support each other. And not only that, there's plenty of other videos that I know you guys have been watching way before the polytube thing started. And hey, more power to the polytubers. Praise God for the privilege that we are able to do our videos. Hey, and all having plenty to eat. And just ask God that He feed those that's wanting food out there in the world and that's suffering out there. I just ask that, you know, He shelters them with love and give them food. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Now it's time to sit down, eat my food, enjoy it, and tidy us all up. Anyway, thank you, guys. I really appreciate it. And you know what, Deva and Brenda, thanks for taking me through to Bali, through your lenses. You know, one day I'm going to go. You know that? Because I've been watching and it's just, I hear about it, so cheap, blah, blah, blah. And I just think, But watching your fellows channel, Duva and Brenda, and watching how you guys are going through Bali in the markets, yep, I got a plan with one of my good kids to take me there. Okay? Mwah. Thank you very much for 800 plus subscribing. Thank you. Ka kite, tau wha, adios. Kia manuia.